Welcome to Dr. SN Science and Spiritual. In today's video, I'm going to explain why your videos not reaching even if you have so many subscribers, even if you have lots of videos. The reason is simple. If your subscribers not enabled two settings, they won't getting your videos. The two settings are important. Even if they click the subscribed button, they won't get notification. In this video, I am going to explain the two settings. The first setting is they subscribed your channel, but they may not clicked that all or selected icon next to the subscribed button. They won't get your video. This is the first setting your subscriber must enabled. Then only they will get all notification of your videos. The second thing is they clicked all in subscribe button, but inside their account settings, if they haven't enabled subscription button, they won't get your videos. In videos, I have shown how to enable subscription in their settings. For this, they should click on account icon. Then they should click settings. A new page will opens. In this, you may see left hand side account notifications, playback and performance. You need to select notifications icon. After you have clicked notification icon, you may see your preferences and subscriptions. The subscription button should be enabled by the subscriber. Then only they will get your videos. Either of the settings not enabled by the subscriber, they won't get your videos. Hence, create a new video and inform your subscribers and tell them to enable both the settings. Most of the YouTube developers only telling the all button or click the subscribed button only. They didn't mention about enable subscriptions button in notification icon. If you have a similar issue, convey this message to your subscribers. Your view count will be increased. Thanks for watching.